Hello students and welcome to the MA Urgent Care Center. This is going to be a very short tutorial on how to navigate this organization. We are on the homepage. Sometimes you'll see announcements pop up here. Just make sure you are assessing whether or not those announcements are pertinent to you. We do have a module where you can find contact information for our folks on campus. Then we have the general information module, and this information on this page is pertinent to both our medical assisting students as well as our medical billing and coding students. And as you scroll through, you'll find resources, including information about attendance policies, communication expectations, purchasing your textbooks. We also have some information about the graduation process, technical support, and some extra resources for your use. From here, you'll want to select the module specific to your program. So medical assisting students will click on medical assisting, and billing and coding students will click on billing and coding.